Hey, it's Ben Cantelon here, and I want to show you the chords of the song Through the Cross. It's in the key of C, and I play C-shaped chords, so it's very basic, and because I wrote it. But basically, the chords are very simple. It starts with C. It's your blood that took our place, and then kind of walk down, holding that C-shaped chord, but kind of just moving the bass, so it goes to B. Na, 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 na. And the A minor 7. We are an E, F, sorry, thankful for the chord. Then G, sort of sus. Because of you. So it kind of goes literally that through the whole verse. Da, na, 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 na. It's your blood that gave us liberty. We are thankful for the cross. Now again, with my bass notes, I kind of do that for an F chord, but you can kind of do we are thankful for the cross. And I usually keep the sus going through the whole song, just sort of keeps the tension going throughout the whole song. So that's the verse chords, and the chorus is very simple. It goes C, by your blood, and then G. We stand forgiven, you have A minor become F. Now and then C over E, and the bass, the E chord there. You done to G, to everything you are. A minor, we surrender, we surrender. So again, just sort of keeping that sus thing going on, just kind of builds that tension, which I like, and very quickly, the bridge is D minor, but to kind of open it up a bit, I use a different sort of shape, and kind of goes just up here on the 5th fret. It kind of opens it up a bit, so it goes, only through the cross we are saved, only through the cross. So the chords are basically D minor, only through the cross. Alternates to go F, only through the cross, only through the cross we are saved, only through the cross and by your blood. So there you go, those are the chords to Through the Cross.